Automating project management in SharePoint streamlines how teams handle project intake, handoffs, tracking, and communication. It starts with a dedicated SharePoint site that centralizes all project information, from new requests to active work logs and dashboards. A SharePoint list with a custom form standardizes how new projects are submitted, capturing key details like scope, client, and timelines. Sales teams can easily track pending projects, while Power Automate triggers workflows such as automatic email alerts to operations when a new project is submitted, ensuring smooth and timely handoffs. Once approved, projects move into a work log that tracks active work and feeds a real-time dashboard for leadership visibility. Automation helps the assigned project manager by automatically notifying the responsible team members, keeping everyone aligned. As the project progresses, updates to status, hours, and milestones are made directly in SharePoint, and automated notifications keep stakeholders informed. This approach reduces manual effort, eliminates email clutter, and creates a clear audit trail for every change. With integrations like Power BI and Teams, reporting and collaboration become even more streamlined. Overall, SharePoint automation increases visibility, accountability, and efficiency, making it an effective solution for modern project management. HingePoint can help implement a tailored solution that aligns with your business goals. We empower organizations to maximize SharePoint, Power Platform, Copilot Studio, and teams to improve efficiency, collaboration, and decision-making. With experience supporting more than 300 companies nationwide, HingePoint delivers scalable, best practice solutions for organizations of all sizes.